Hi, my name is Madison Short, and this is my video quiz number 2 over chapters 4 through 7. For chapter 4, number 1, I got a key idea that stood out to me in this chapter is how important an audience is when you are giving a speech. For number 2, what I learned in this chapter that I did not know before is how gender and race can affect how the audience reacts to your speech and how engaged they are. For number 3, I got these ideas are important for public speaking because any speech that you give, you will, for most part, have an audience. And then number 4, I got that these ideas can be used in my personal and professional life because I now know how to engage different audiences, which will help me in my professional life because I want to be in the medical field, so you have to talk to many different people. For chapter number 5, I got that a key idea that stuck out to me in this chapter was how to properly organize and prepare your speech, such as your purpose, topic, and how you order it. Number 2, what I learned in this chapter that I didn't know before was how motivated sequence worked and how it is used in the persuasive speeches the most. Number 3, these ideas are important for public speaking because it helps to properly organize our speech, which helps for when we need to perform a speech. We know how to perform it in order and just to make it to the best it can be. Number 4, I can use these ideas in my personal life when I'm preparing the rest of our minor speeches in this class. Chapter 6. A key idea that stood out to me in chapter 6 was how to properly outline a speech. Number 2, what I learned in this chapter that I did not know before is that you should always include a bibliography in a speech when you receive information from different sources. Number 3, these ideas are important for public speaking because you need to know how to make an outline for your speech, and plagiarism is very bad and can get you in a lot of trouble. Number 4, these ideas can help me in my professional or personal life by not plagiarizing and causing problems with other assignments. So in college, if you plagiarize, it's a big deal, which it teaches me that just because plagiarism is a big deal in English, it is also a big deal in other subjects too. And then chapter 7, number 1, a key idea that was stated in this chapter is how to properly gather information and conduct research for all the topics that we're doing for our speeches. Number 2, something that I learned in this chapter that I didn't know before is how important an interview can be for a speech and how it can take your speech to the next level and engage your audience more. Number 3, these ideas are important in public speaking because you need to properly know how to conduct research to support your main points. This came in handy when I completed my outline for the informative speech. I knew what to look up in order to finish my outline. Number 4, these ideas can be used in my personal or professional life because while in college, knowing how to conduct research will benefit many classes. Thank you.